Hi everyone, here's a quick tutorial on how to use my ultimate subtitles preset pack for DaVinci Resolve. First, make sure that you've bought the DaVinci Resolve version of the presets from the Storezar website and not the Premiere Pro version. Once the presets are unzipped and imported, you will have the Finzar Ultimate Subtitles folder underneath the Titles section in the Effects tab. These are for 60 FPS projects. Importing presets can be quite tricky if you haven't done it before, so I've made a tutorial for that, which you can find right here. For each subtitle preset, there are two options, center and lower thirds. To use the presets, all you have to do is drag and drop them straight from the titles folder and onto the timeline. And there you have a 5-second version of that subtitle on the timeline. To make the subtitle shorter or longer, make sure that you use the handles on the right-hand side. Only use the left handles when you're using one of the out presets. This is important, as if you were to move the handles on the other side specified, you'd cut into the placed keyframes and lose the animation. Unlike some other presets, you have all the customization options you could want within each preset, so that you can change the font, color, size, and shading. If you want to speed up your workflow and add more of the same subtitles, just Alt and drag on Windows, or Option and drag on Mac to duplicate the effect on that timeline. Here are a few of the dozens and dozens of subtitles you get in the pack. And finally, there are some special subtitles in the pack that have both in and out animations. Just drag them onto the timeline and make the subtitles shorter or longer, and the animations will stay in place at the start and the end. And that's the subtitles pack. I've remade all the effects from my Premiere Pro pack, and even added a few more just for DaVinci. Hopefully, they'll save you loads of time subtitling your work. Make sure that you go and check out www.storezar.com, sign up to our mailing list, and stay up to date with our most recent presets and courses. And also subscribe, and make sure to check out our other tutorials on our other presets. Alright, see you later.